Welcome back to Mustache Moto. It's Ben, keeping these videos short and sweet. Today we're going to change the rear drive, final drive oil on the R1250GS. You're supposed to do this every other oil change, so every 12,000 miles. First thing you do is take off the hugger here. That's a T30. 3 bolts, take that away. You got a T40 on the top for the filler, a T45 for the drain. Drain it right into your catch pan. And then, of course, got the ratchet wrench. And then I'm going to use this, my Mighty Vac, to pump the oil up into the hole. It's a little hard to get to otherwise. You could use a turkey baster, or you could use a syringe or a squeeze bottle. I'll link the squeeze bottle that I've seen people use from Amazon. I'll link that in the show notes below. So let's jump right in. Just to note that the drain plug has a little O-ring on the bottom of it, and the filler plug has a little copper crush washer. You don't need to change these every time. I don't. But if it's been several services, you might want to go ahead and have those on hand and replace them. Remember, good and snug, but you don't need this super tight. It's not a contest. Don't strip it out. And we're done. Now get out there and ride.